Newsweek's latest cover has a lot of people talking, and maybe not surprisingly, it's about Donald Trump. The cover titled Lazy Boy shows President Trump in a recliner chair with a bag of Cheetos watching TV. The page reads, "Donald Trump is bored and tired. Imagine how bad he'd feel if he did any work." The cover story was posted online by the magazine on Tuesday, and it serves as a harsh critique on Trump's work as president so far. The article says that in his first 6 months as president, Trump found the time to post 1,029 tweets. The Newsweek cover is the latest magazine cover to show disapproval of Trump. The New York Post recently came out with a cover depicting Trump's cabinet as the cast of the TV show Survivor. And unfortunately for Trump, the replacement of the heating and cooling systems in the West Wing, causing him to retreat to his New Jersey golf course for 17 days, isn't helping the lazy boy image.